How to subtract numbers in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. As you can see, I have A and B that are numbers and I want to subtract both of them. So in the new cell on the right side, simply click on the cell. After you've clicked on the cell, type equals sign. Then select the first number cell and type minus and select second cell. Press on enter and you will find your subtracted number. And after that, click on the top, which is the answer cell, and drag it at the bottom. You will find answers of all the cells. And this is how to subtract numbers in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.